Hey guys, it's me, Dr. Chris from A Kid's Perspective. Well, actually I'm not a real doctor, but today I'm dissecting some owl casts. In case you didn't know, owls swallow their prey whole instead of chewing it up, well, because they're birds, so they don't have teeth to chew. For a small prey, they just swallow it, but for big prey, they just rip it up into pieces and eat them. So right here I got some owl castings from my dad's job. They have Eurasian Eagle Owls that were used in the Harry Potter movies, so I guess I have some famous owl puke. But anyway, if you've never seen owls in action, here's some live footage. So I got this dissection kit that I got off of eBay, which includes really awesome tools to use to dissect. I also have this second camera up here so you could watch on an overhead shot. And I'm gonna put that on a small screen beside me. Okay, nice. So I guess I got my tools, my castings. Let's literally dig into it. Okay. So I'm thinking that I should use tweezers so I could kind of separate the stuff. I also have little pins to kind of poke through it and separate it a little. I have 4 different ones, but one of them I already kind of tinkered with a little. And you can see the pieces over here. I kind of separated them because this pile has bones of what the owls ate. And this pile has like little pieces, like feathers or fur. And as you can see, some of them have napkins, so I guess they're kind of sticky and moist now. Yeah, because they're wrapped in paper towel. Put that away. And I'll also be using magnifying glass so I could properly see where these pieces are. Like I could already see this piece right here, which is another bone. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh. I mean, it's all soft on the outside, but once you start digging into it, you see a lot of that bone stuff. Kind of having trouble. Gonna need a second pair of tweezers. So right now I'm just shredding it, trying to see if I could find more. Oh man. Well, it kind of feels hard in the inside, which is where you'll find lots of bones and stuff. But it's also kind of soft because you'll find a lot of feathers there. Like this is a toe, probably from a bird, and all around is feathers and fur. Okay, so I already know that some of these owls were fed on chicks and mice and stuff. I guess we'll find lots of bones and fur, stuff like that. Ugh. Yeah, not too many strange things. I mean, it would be crazy if I come across a skull. That's a little too gross though. In the wild, if you found these, then you might come across more stuff like skulls or even more bones, but I guess what these owls feed on already have their heads off. Ugh. I guess I'm really coming across lots of bones. Sometimes claws. So whoever casting belongs to, well, whatever I will spit out. This one's difficult. It's very sticky, and sometimes it's like it's glued together. Well, I don't really smell anything, but I guess that's, well, I don't know why. These bones are very fragile, so probably already been chewed up because I see lots of pieces scattered everywhere. I think this is part of a rib cage because the bones are curved. So whenever I try to take it apart, it falls easily, just like tissue paper. That's like little bone treasures. Yeah, but you get the idea of what we're doing here. So let's take a close-up look of what I have so far. Now I'm gonna only bring up the video of just the bones. And we have lots of tiny bones. So these right here are claws, because I could kind of see like a toenail tip from a bird. And curved ones. So well, if I kept digging into these, this is what I would mostly find. It's actually pretty interesting. Alright, as you can see, we found lots of tiny bones and some fluff as well. It's really cool actually. Well, for sure, I thought I was going to throw up, but I guess I survived here. Once again, a big thanks to my dad's work to donating these owl castings. I'm going to keep playing with them. And you guys should get out there and experiment with owl castings and dissectings because it's really fun. But anyway, I'm your host Christopher Shen from A Kid's Perspective. And if you like my videos, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. A Kid's Perspective. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the Owlcast dissecting. But if you want to try it yourself, I already have 2 Owlcasts that I didn't touch. So why don't you comment down below and say if you want one, and then I'll randomly choose 2 people to receive an Owlcast. Thanks for watching.